Yeah, so this video is about how to know the best time to buy or best time to sell. Um, and I'll probably not be the best person to talk about this right now because of this loss, but it's only 80 or 78 cents. And this is me actually taking my time to learn how to trade. I've done it before, but not with Binance Futures. Never traded futures, I don't think. Probably eToro or something, but that was way straightforward compared to this. This one is more hands-on. Um, but you know, making those transactions, order history or trade transactions. Okay, cool. So profit of 64 cents there, 25, loss of 47 cents. No, as long as it's little amounts, it doesn't really matter. But let's go straight to the point, which is how do you know when's best to buy and when's best to sell, right? So a lot of times when you see a sharp movement like that, or a movement that is way higher than the rest, either green or red. If it's red, then you're sure to at least have some green. Or sometimes it does go down to red, just like here and here. But the thing is, when you see a sharp movement like this, for example, a very sharp movement compared to everything else, the next few ones were down, as we can see right here. Next few ones were down, so sharp movement all the way there, got up there, and then started to sell, right? Um, so now you can see that, okay, so when it has a sharp movement upwards, it will surely come down at some point. But those are like for 1 minute trades and whatever, not the 5 minute ones or the 30-minute ones or the hour ones. But yeah, I guess that's just it for this video. So just like this one as well, as you can see, yes, there was loads of movements here, but at the same time, there was room to buy or short. If you're looking for very small increments and whatever, then that's fine. Or if you're trying to learn the ropes, it's fine to always invest the amount that you can afford to lose. So for me, what I've done is um, if I'm investing 52, right? I have this room to go downward or upward. Well, in the opposite direction of um, where I've staked my claim or where you know what I mean. But yeah, so have some money there as well, um, that you can use as leverage in a way, so that you don't lose all that unless you decide to sell. But yeah, I think that's just it for this video without ranting too much.